Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. Today we're going to be trying another of my Patriot Supply foods. It says Ready Hour. Now somebody's asked me about that. It doesn't say My Patriot Supply across here, but My Patriot Supply carries Ready Hour brand, and it is made in the USA. This is the creamy chicken flavored rice. It is cold outside. The wind's been blowing. I want something warm, and chicken soup is usually a good go-to. Chicken and rice is next best. So I'm going to try this today. We have 5 cups of water behind me here boiling. I have my pot with Ticino, the vanilla nut. Got my coffee to stay warm, which is Ticino. It is delicious. So we're going to try My Patriot Supply. They're ready to eat freeze-dried meals. I've tried several before, and I've always showed you what they do, what they look like, and what they taste like. So now I'm going to dump this package over into 5 cups of boiling water, and let's see how long it takes. 20 minutes. So we'll be back in about 20 minutes to show you and taste the creamy chicken and rice. I am looking for an oxygen absorber. I'm not sure if there's one in there. So if there is, we have to take that out. I'm not seeing one, but okay. So it's not packaged with an oxygen absorber. I'm going to turn this down, and we're just going to whisk in this. Yeah, okay. Told you. Oxygen absorbers don't go in there. I knew there had to be one somewhere. Make sure you take the oxygen absorber out. Now I'm turning this down. I don't want it boiling as hot as it was. Take some of the lumps out. You can see hunks of chicken, rice, and the broth just melted, and the onions. Doesn't that look awesome? I can't wait. So while we're waiting on this to cook, I want to talk to you a little bit about My Patriot Supply. We have a link in the description below, and it takes you to our preparewithdeepsouth.com. I think that's how it's worded, or preparewithdeepsouthhomestead.com. Earlier this year, when we talked to My Patriot Supply about buying an Alexapure, we never thought we would be doing the freeze-dried foods also, because we usually can everything that we need here at Deep South. But with the virus that's been going around this year, I bought a lot of their powdered foods, like their honey and their butter and their eggs and that sort of stuff, so that I would have that on hand. If my chickens quit laying, I still have some eggs. I can go get my powdered eggs, and they work really just fine. Honey, we keep a lot of honey. We do our own cane syrup. We do all kinds of things. But as a backup, in a number 10 can of powdered honey, it works if you need it. It's there. It's in my cabinet. And if I ever run out of something of mine, or a neighbor needs something, we have a backup. That's how we work around here. And so the freeze-dried foods, I bought several of the different varieties just to try. And one of the packs I bought was a 4-pack or a 5-pack of different foods. And the creamy chicken flavored rice was one of them. So that's why we're trying it today. Check out the link in the description below. They're always running really good sales. And the Alexapure, we're loving it. It is a water filtration, and we are loving having it at the cabin. On our site, they're $169. That is the best deal you're going to get on an Alexapure, guys. Check it out, and we're going to try the chicken and rice in a few minutes. Okay. I went with Danny over to feed the fish and came back and it's all thick and good. Looks like chicken and rice, doesn't it? This is enough to feed 2 people twice, like lunch and supper. When you make it, it should be 3/4 of a cup. 3/4 of a cup for each person for lunch and supper. So that's 4 meals with this. And if you had some extra anything to add to it, you can, like extra chicken, some fresh veggies, anything like that to make it go further. It would last even more meals. Creamy chicken and rice. It looks good. Guys, it smells good. It's got that little bit of onion and chicken smell, like chicken broth smell. The smell is great. So if you're a smell person, you would like this because it smells good. It's creamy. It's chickeny. The rice is done. It's a different type of rice. It's not like cooking rice from scratch. So I'm assuming it's a freeze-dried type rice. It's already cooked and then you're rehydrating it. It's good. Just what I need tonight on this cold night. Check out my Patriot supply. It's in the link in the description below. If you guys need freeze-dried foods because you don't grow your own or because the grocery stores are running out, check out my Patriot supply. You won't be disappointed with the taste of the food. Over the next couple of days, Wanda's going to be eating chicken and rice. This is really good. Thank you guys from Crazy Days.